Volcano today. Scientists discover potential magma source in Italian supervolcano. Scientists have discovered the first direct evidence of a so-called hot zone, fueling a supervolcano in southern Italy that experts say is approaching eruption conditions. Campi Flegrei is a volcanic caldera west of Naples that last erupted centuries ago. The area has been relatively quiet since the 1980s, when the injection of magma or fluids into the volcano's shallower structures caused a series of small earthquakes. Using seismological techniques, scientists have now pinpointed the location of the hot zone where hot material rose to feed the caldera during this period. The research was led by Dr. Luca Di Siena at the University of Aberdeen in collaboration with INGV Osservatorio Vesuviano, the RISSC laboratory at the University of Naples, and the University of Texas at Austin. This research provides benchmarks that can help predict how and where future eruptions may occur. One of the questions that has puzzled scientists is where the magma lies beneath the caldera, and our research provides the first evidence of a hot zone beneath the town of Pozzuoli that extends into the sea at a depth of 4 kilometers, said Dr. Di Siena. While this is the most likely location of the small collection of magma, it could also be the top of a wider magma chamber filled with hot fluid and located much deeper. One of the questions that puzzles scientists is where the magma lies beneath the caldera, and our research provides the first evidence of a hot zone beneath the town of Pozzuoli, Dr. Luca Di Siena. Dr. Di Siena's studies show that magma was prevented from rising to the surface in the 1980s by rock formations 1 to 2 kilometers deep blocking its path, forcing it to release pressure along lateral pathways. Although the impact of this is still not fully understood, the relatively low amount of seismic activity in the region since the 1980s suggests that pressure is increasing within the caldera, making it more dangerous. Over the last 30 years, the behavior of the volcano has changed. Things are getting hotter as fluids seep through the caldera, explains Dr. Di Siena. Whatever caused the activity under Pozzuoli in the 1980s has moved elsewhere, so the danger is not only located in the same place, but could now be closer to more densely populated Naples. This means that the risk of the caldera is no longer just in the middle, but has moved around. It's true. You can now characterize Campi Flegrei like a pot of soup simmering beneath the surface. We can't say for sure how big an eruption will be in the future, but there is no doubt that this volcano is becoming increasingly dangerous. The big question we have to answer now is whether it was a large layer of magma rising to the surface, or something less worrying that could come to the surface in the ocean.